Can an LLC contribute to 401k? Yes, an LLC can contribute to a 401k plan, but the setup depends on how the LLC is taxed. If the LLC is a single member LLC taxed as a sole proprietorship, the owner can open a solo 401k and make contributions as both the employer and the employee. This allows higher contribution limits compared to a traditional IRA. If the LLC has multiple members or employees, it can establish a traditional 401k plan for the business. In this case, the LLC makes employer contributions, and employees, including members who take salaries, can also contribute. The IRS sets annual limits for both employer and employee contributions. Offering a 401k can provide significant tax advantages for the LLC, while also helping attract and retain employees. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep your business compliant so you're ready to set up benefits like a 401k. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.